Espinola looking to survive for Team Makati Titans. Look at that right there. Whoa, okay. Hey! Oh my, come on. Give them a break. Pretty unfortunate for the Makati Titans. Quezon City now with ball in hand opportunity. Remember me on the 3. Smooth team. Sasabihin talaga nila definitely that they've tried their best. Hindi na-capitalize na opportunities. Pero medyo inalat lang talaga sa Sargo sila, sila Albert Espinola eh.
Yes.
So this might end with a 13-7 scoreline because they are 3 balls away. That was kind of a... Verano puts it away and look at that right there. It's a picture-perfect 9-ball para naman dito kay John L.A. Garde.
Ilalaglag na lang to ni Garde for the 9 and the victory for the Quezon City Dragons dito sa ating Tandem 2 Thursdays.